job, cash.
I got these gooseneck lights. I just got them off the internet. Nowhere fancy. They look like this. They're gonna look really nice when they're done. The problem is, some of the places where they need to go, the ridge is in the way. This one's gonna be just fine because the light will be perfect right above the window and there's no ridge in the way. So this is where I'm gonna put the electrical box on the inside. And on the outside is where I've gotta make a plate, or more or less a piece of plastic to take up the space.
Or the reciprocate side's got to come down just. Tight?
Yeah.
All right, now I'll set that. All right, put this on. Just want that front flush, you know. See where it's not, wasn't completely square, we're gonna have to do something to adjust for that.
Get one of them knockouts.
Yeah, it's a good idea. There you go. Pretty flush, yeah. I'm going to stick that screw in about right there or something. Now you push it through the front. Not bad. I'll go ahead and take that other one out then. All right, let's go over and see how close.
just take that the 3/8 drill bit.
Yeah. We don't have to be exact. Well, just go up and hit it right there. Put it in right there. That's good. We just put them all in at the same location. Drill it in. 3/8. I thought you like that cool grass. You like that cool grass. Good. Go deeper.
It's just because of the two. This is already put on the sides. Start.
That is.
Oh yeah.
That might work. Level. No, that one on the right is down. Just they don't have to go. You might put one of the corner wires.
This is one of the issues here. The screw I put in hits the light.
Too long.
Now the head of it does.
Half inch. The on your little block, you put a little thing you put in. The other one won't be so bad. We're trying to.
We have a
Good more than that.
Alright, stop. That's all the wire we got. Where's the caps
Right
at?
here. We'll tighten up with both screws.
I mean, yeah, it ain't going nowhere.
Alright, once got that.
So here's the finished product. Oh, hold on. Fix here. So these are those gooseneck lights.
Yep.
All these things turned out great. They really added some style to the shop.